Hello everyone, I'm Pooja Poddar, an assistant professor at the Department of Applied Sciences and Humanities in Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering. Herzlich willkommen. I'm here to give insight into the multidisciplinary minor in German language. The National Education Policy NEP 2020 of India emphasizes multidisciplinary education, encouraging students to explore diverse fields of study and integrate knowledge across disciplines. The MDM program complements your primary degree by letting you pursue a secondary interest over 5 semesters, earning 14 credits. This way, you gain specialized knowledge and skills without deviating from your main course of study. Within the realm of humanities, the MDM in German is offered by the Department of Applied Sciences and Humanities at PCCOE. The MDM in German is designed to equip engineering students with essential language skills in German for both everyday interaction and professional environment. The course in semester 3 aims to equip students with practical language skills and cultural knowledge necessary for living, studying, and working in German-speaking environment. The semester 4 course focuses on developing necessary language skills to comprehend and interpret simple technical documents. The course in semester 5 offers students a comprehensive exploration of Germany's contribution to global innovations and technology. In semester 6, you will explore more about German-speaking countries and companies and people. The 7th semester course is designed to help and encourage you to apply the acquired German language skills in a variety of real-world contexts. The MDM in German equips you with skills needed to appear for international certification exams offered by Goethe Institute Max Müller Bhavan. Many Indian engineering students prefer German universities for MS due to high quality education, affordable costs, and excellent career prospects. As per Indo-German Chamber of Commerce, there are more than 1,700 German companies in India providing around 4 lakh direct and indirect jobs. A job candidate with German language skills can beat the candidates without such skills.
Hello everyone, I am Aditi Adkar and I am a mechanical engineer from PCCOE from the 2024 batch. I have been studying the German language under the guidance of Pooja Poddar ma'am since my first year. Under her guidance only, I have completed my A1 and A2 levels and now I am preparing for my B1 level exam. Through the classes, I have learned the basics of the sentences and the grammar, and it was very thoroughly taught to us students. Through continuous tests and improvements and corrections, we have gained the confidence to speak and to write the German language spontaneously. This is one of the reasons why I am placed at Mercedes-Benz. Thank you very much.
So dear students, grab the opportunity and make best use of MDM in German for your bright future. After the commencement of second year academics, there will be an induction program. After that, you can opt for your desired MDM through PCCOE ERP login. Select your MDM attentively as it cannot be changed once chosen and you are required to complete all 5 courses of the selected MDM. For further queries, please contact here.